This video is sponsored by EasySMX. What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. And today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the EasySMX V07W wireless gaming headset. We're going to find out if this product is any good and if it's really worth purchasing. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. And if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then therefore consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right guys, first things first, let's check out the packaging. On front, you have the EasySMX logo, as well as an image and name of the device. On the side, you have some supported devices such as PC, Xbox and PlayStation. And finally, towards the back, you have some product details and company information. Once opened, the first thing you will see is the V07W wireless headset, as well as one 2.4 GHz USB receiver, one microphone with a pop filter, one micro USB cable, one 3.5mm audio cable, and finally, one user manual. In regards to the product breakdown, the headset is made using ABS plastic, metal and leather, which feels great to hold and doesn't feel too heavy when wearing the headset. Starting from the top, you have the EasySMX name printed, as well as this really nice white stitching that goes around the headset. Inside, you have the soft leather around the head and ear area, which feels super soft on touch. The headset can also be extended and adjusted to help give you the perfect fit. Starting from the right, you have the RGB lights, which cycle through a range of different colors, as well as the RGB button to toggle the lights on or off, one power button, which powers the headset, one micro USB input to charge the headset, one 4 LED light indicator to show you the charge level remaining. On the left, you also have the LED lights again, as well as the microphone input, one audio input, one volume control scroller, and finally, the mute button. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Ensure your device is fully charged and then hold the power button. The LED lights should then turn on. Insert your mic and then insert the 2.4 GHz USB receiver. Once done, you should be good to go from here. Now, when it comes to the technical details, the device can last roughly around 10 hours until flat and has a charge time of 2.5 hours thanks to its 800 mAh battery built inside. You have an operating range of 10 meters, which is pretty good, as well as tuned 40mm drivers with virtual 7.1 channel surround sounds. Finally, when it comes to usage, the device can be used both wirelessly via USB 2.4 receiver or wired using the 3.5mm cable included inside. Now for some testing. Here I'm going to do a quick comparison of the wireless headset with and without sound quality settings applied, and I'm also going to drop down the info below on the settings I used on the second part of the test. Right guys, so here's me using the headset microphone without any sound adjustments applied. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, like, comment and subscribe. Now here is me using the headset microphone with additional sound settings applied. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, like, comment and subscribe. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, when it comes to comfort and noise cancellation, the headset does an awesome job in keeping you engaged during your gaming experience. You don't need any software installed to use the headset as it's literally plug and play and is super easy to set up. The mic is also great and the build quality of the headset feels really good. The RGB lights are also a super nice touch, and for the price you pay, in my opinion, you definitely get your money's worth here. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the EasySMX V07W wireless gaming headset from the EasySMX website for around $65, which is a pretty fair price considering the quality and features you get, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Thanks again to EasySMX for sponsoring today's video, and let me know what you guys think of the headset in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.